Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset Face ID on your iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your device passcode to access the Face ID settings. Once you're in the menu, tap Reset Face ID. This will remove your current Face ID data from the device. After resetting it, Face ID will no longer unlock your iPhone until you set it up again, so you'll need to use your passcode to unlock your phone temporarily. Next, tap Setup Face ID, then select Get Started. Hold your iPhone in front of your face and follow the on-screen instructions. Slowly move your head in a complete circle so the True Depth camera can scan your face from different angles. Your new Face ID will now be saved and ready to use for unlocking your iPhone, approving App Store purchases, Apple Pay, and other apps that support Face ID. So that's basically how you can reset Face ID on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.